Hello, and I hope all is well for you today. And in this population-based series, we will be discussing anything from articles to news reports, potential conspiracy theories, and assessing population data. So if that's something you're interested in, hopefully you will enjoy this dialogue. And in this episode, we will be talking about population data. Hello and welcome to this special production of the Population Series. This production will actually feature two countries that I've showcased before: South Africa and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. This dialogue will talk about births per day, births per minute, projections, current population, currently married, rank, growth rate. Let's begin the population data. Marriage. 55.3% Congolese women are married. 36.9% of South African women are married. Growth rate. The Democratic Republic of the Congo's growth rate is 3.29%. South Africa's growth rate is 1.44%. Population rank. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is the fourth largest population in Africa. The Democratic Republic of the Congo's population ranks at 15, which means the DRC's population is not only one of the largest populations in Central Africa or Africa, but one of the world's largest populations. The Democratic Republic of the Congo's population is equivalent to 1.3% of the total world population. South Africa ranks at 24. South Africa is the number one most populated country in Southern Africa. Births per minute. There is one birth every 7 seconds in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. There is one birth every 27 seconds in South Africa. Births per day. There are 12,232 births per day in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. There are 3,239 births per day in South Africa. Population size. The Democratic Republic of the Congo's population is at 110,644,577. South Africa's population is at 64,302,128. Population projections. By 2030, the DRC's population is expected to increase to 131,532,000. By 2030, South Africa's population is set to increase to 68,161,400. By 2040, the DRC's population is set to increase to 172,500,000. 596,000. By 2040, South Africa's population is set to increase to 74,035,600. By 2050, the DRC's population is set to increase to 218,246,000. By 2050, South Africa's population is set to increase to 79,177,300. Well, that is all for this episode. And to explain my motive in putting South Africa and the Democratic Republic of the Congo together is because typically I do episodes by twos, but then I decided if a country 60 million or more in population size that I would have done it separately. But I realized that it seems like the episodes where there are two populations together fare better as compared to separately. So I will no longer make it a rule to make them separate. Plus, interestingly enough, it's actually easier, and I actually enjoy contrasting populations together. So that should explain the motive. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of Populations, and stay tuned for more.